Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Alhamdulillah, in this good occasion we can meet again. We can talking together about cryptocurrency. But before that, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe and watch all video of this channel. Cause this channel always talking about cryptocurrency and that can add our knowledge and our intellectual of cryptocurrency. Well, same as usual, we want talking about cryptocurrency, but before that, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Nearly half of US adults say their crypto funds are worth than expected serve. It's too bad, as a majority of the crypto investors surveyed said they become interested in crypto as they thought it was a good way to make money. Amid the ongoing crypto winter, new data from a Pew Research Center survey has shown that 46% of adult crypto users in the United States are seeing lower than expected returns on their crypto investment. The survey gathered response from over 6,000 randomly selected adults across the United States, with panelists participating in self-administered by web surveys. Conditional from July 5 to 22 of this year, the majority of responsible returns they expected, while only 50% of people surveyed said their crypto investment has done better than expected. Meanwhile, around 31% said it was about the same as they expected. Search Pew Research Center. It's unfortunate, given the vast majority of crypto users respond, said they become interested in cryptocurrency because they were looking for a different way to invest and thought it was a good way to make money. Women made up over half of the respondents, and people over 50 years old spent the largest sample size overall. Only 16% of total respondents said they had invested, traded, or used a cryptocurrency at some point in their lives. US investors peeled into crypto in these heydays. The high proportion of distortion crypto investor could be attributed to a sharp rise of crypto adoption in the country in 2021, when the market was at its all-time height. Well, maybe just this what I can share with you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and watch all video of this channel, cause this channel always talking about cryptocurrency and that can add our knowledge and our intellectual of cryptocurrency, and that too can update our information or our knowledge about crypto. Well, maybe just this. Thank you very much, See you.